We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
I just got home. It is around 6 o'clock right now. I just got home from doing my hair. So yeah, your fave also went shopping, totally unplanned, and I just got I got jeans. I don't know, do you guys want to see? Should I show you guys? Okay, let me. Is it visible? Does it show? Really? And the problem is my camera died, so I don't even have enough light. Maybe. So I just hate how the light keeps bouncing, but there's not much I can do. Okay, so I went shopping. Legit, totally unplanned, but after breakfast I just was like, okay, let me go in there and see what I can get. Plus I was honestly just feeling down, so I needed something to just pick me up. And yeah, so I got just basic things really. Also my niece is like mad at, I think not just me, at like all of us, because she was home with my nephews, her brothers, like all day, and they are a handful. Knock before you enter my room. I'm busy. Come back later. Okay, this is really bugging me. This is like really, it's really irritating me. You know what? Let me just try and charge my camera, and then I'll do this properly on my camera. Okay, let me start the haul again because the lighting was terrible. I hope my camera doesn't die. So first item is this. It's a bodysuit. It's a nude bodysuit, and yeah, I've always wanted to like try out these kinds of bodysuits. I got one today, and I hope that it works out, and if it does, then I'm definitely gonna go and look for more. This was 119.99, so basically 120 bucks. And yeah, it was the only one in this size, like the smallest size they had, so I hope that it works out. The next item are these jeans. Well, they're jeggings really. They're jeggings, and that's the wash. That's I struggle with buying pants for myself because I don't know, for some reason I just don't know my sizes. Like, it's just weird. But anyway, growing up, my mom always bought them for me, and mom just knows best, so she always just knew like what works. So yeah, I got these, and they were $79.99, so 180. And then I got another pair of jeans. These are actual proper jeans, and these are a regularized ankle grazer type jean in this light blue finish type. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see if they fit or not. I really hope they do. If not, then I'll probably just give it to my niece or something. I don't know. What's that one? I'm doing this quickly because I don't want the battery to like die before it hits. And then I got, now this one I'm really risking it. Like I'm really just trying it. So this is a white little plain top, but with shoulder pads. I'm not sure. I'm not sold just yet, but I hope that it'll look right. This one was $99.99. $99.99. So $100, and that's, oops, it's not focused, but you know, it's fine. It's okay. Doesn't want to focus. Are you gonna focus? Are you gonna focus? Why is it not focused? There we go. What were you doing? Yeah. So yeah, that's the white shoulder pad type topic. And then there was a sale, buy one get one free type sale. So I got, honestly, these were very basic items. So I got this V-neck top, simple black top, nothing special about it. It's a tank top, as you can see. It was $79.99. I got that one, and I also got it in. I got it in this pinkish salmon blush type color. I think it's more of a blush color. Yeah, so I got both of them, and yeah, $79.99. This one is a small, the other one is an extra small, so we'll see how they fit. And then this top, I was really just trying it out because I'm not sure if it's my style. First of all, it's like a little kind of like light yellow yana. Yeah, I got this cute tee over here. It has like little cute yana. You can't really see, but cute yana, little yana, ruffle yana type cuteness going on there. This one was $79.99. It's an extra small because, yeah, we'll see if it fits nicely. I also got this top. So this top is similar to the tank tops, just that this one is a proper like shirt. So this one was $89.99. Just a simple black t-shirt, and that is about it. I bought earrings as well. Oh, I got earrings as well. This was the last minute, like the last thing that I bought, because it just, yeah, I don't even know, like I just bought them. So this is the set. That's the set. Okay, let's bring it closer. So that's the set. We've got the hoops. We've got, these are definitely not my style, so I'll probably just be wearing, oh, my nails. I need to do my nails. So yeah, I'll probably just be wearing these. These ones I'm giving to my niece because I feel like they're more her style. So yeah, she chose those, and so yeah, I'll give her those. This girl is so shady. So she asked me, where are you going to be wearing flowers to? Honestly, I don't know either. But you know what? These are the best. This was the best set, to be honest. Everything else was just like, no, it was just ugly. So it's 7:15. Well, I'll just say 7:20. I was supposed to go out today, but my parents, you know, had to go somewhere, and so I am stuck at home with the kids, which is okay. Not really. Okay, yeah. Actually, you know what? To be 100% honest, it's not. I'm like, it really does. It did bug me. It really did upset me. That I couldn't go, you know, for the New Year's Eve festivities where I wanted to go. My cousin and I were supposed to go, and yeah, unfortunately, that couldn't happen. So I actually am like upset by it, but I think because I've dealt, no, yeah, I've kind of gotten over it because it's been the whole day, and I think I made myself feel better. I made myself feel better, you know, going out and such. You guys can probably hear a baby shark thing. Yeah, that's gonna be my life for the rest of the night, clearly. But yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. This is the last vlog of 2021, and I'm grateful that I am making this video on day 365, 2021. I'm so grateful to God for keeping me and my family throughout this year, throughout this season. It's been a tough season for so many people, and for us to still be here, it's truly, like, I'm truly grateful. And I hope that you enjoyed your New Year's Eve, that you ushered in the new year in style. And if you were like me and was just sitting at home, still Happy New Year. You know, I hope that the year is going to be amazing for you, that 2022 you will go easy on yourself, but also go extra hard for the things you love, the things you are passionate about, that you will go extra hard for those you love, that the right doors will open for you, and that you'll just be happy. You'll be happy with yourself. You'll be happy with whatever whatever you do, that you'll be happy. Make yourself, I think I've always been saying this, and maybe I've not been practicing what I've been preaching, and that is making yourself a priority. I haven't done a good job at that for myself, and today made me realize that, you know what, it's okay to make yourself a priority. It's okay to just do things for yourself and not feel bad. You know, don't feel bad for just doing nice things for yourself. My cousin was telling me that as well earlier. She was telling me that, you know what, you need to just take care of yourself. And she said quite a few things, you know, that were really helpful and really our pastor says that 2022 is the year of many breakthroughs, and in order for me to be ready for those breakthroughs, I think I need to like take time to just, you know, look into myself. Like I said in my previous video, well, not previous video, but like the last like sit down type video that I did, you know. But anyway, yeah, let me not make this longer than it needs to be. Guys, yo, but we're grateful. I love them to bits, my nephews, I love them to bits. Marbala pisa pa mudumo, and na ga rate mudumo, guys. Yo, I'm in stress, but you know what, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, anyway, happy 2022. God bless you, and let's rock. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video or vlog. Bye guys, and happy new year.